I think that just might work. Hey everyone, Brent here, and starting to plan out the things I need to do when we get to New Zealand. From all this cruising, we've learned a few things. One of them is we're going to put an arch here, and it's going to inhibit the use of this Hydrovane. And I really like wind vanes, but the problem is, the other part with the Hydrovane is you may not be able to see it. I'll point the camera down there, but it uses this auxiliary rudder, which I have a spare one of right back here. And the rudder's just not strong enough to turn this big of a boat. But the whole wind vane part works quite well, and it turns a small shaft that goes down and turns that rudder, and the shaft's attached to an end on the bottom. And when I get this arch up here, this vane's going to be way too low. The vane's going to probably have to be up this high. And I'd really like to get this to work, so I think what I'm going to do, and this is an idea in the process, is I'd love to use this with the shaft, but actually build my own auxiliary rudder with a trim tab, like the old auto helms, and basically use this part to control that by putting a small wheel to move the cables that would move the trim tab on the rudder down there. And I can make the rudder big enough to be able to manage the boat. That's my idea, and I'm going to start drawing it up, and we'll see if it comes to fruition.